Hey everybody, it's Delicious here, and today we're gonna play Power Drill. I don't know what that shit is says, but I don't pronounce his name. And today, if you don't know what kind of game is that, but it's kind of so scary horror game because I don't know what kind of character is that, but this demon man is trying to get you. But if he get you like 4 times, then you're dead. Cause if I saw this video, it's called Dashi Game Video. Oh, I found the keys right here. If I saw this video, it's Dashi Game Video, and then he plays some Power Drill Massacre, but this shit is so scary. Don't forget to start to scare the bell or something like that. But I just scared out the bell because it's very so loud. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, I found the keys. Pick it up. Like, I never know when I scared a bell or something like that. So, yeah, I never scared a bell. Alright. But unless, we're not going to Sugar Tunnel. But if you go to Sugar Tunnel, then the demon will try to get you for like 4 times. And you don't know which way can we go. So do not go to the Sugar Tunnels. Okay, now I'm going to go downstairs. Alright. What was that sound? I don't believe when I'm going to do this. Some sort of races or something. What is that water drip sound? Oh, I found a sparkle. Oh, it's actually a note. It's a note. I don't like that sound. What kind of sound is that? A water drop sound? Oh, freaking hell! Oh my god! Run with that shit! Run with that shit! Look behind. Let me look behind. Oh my god! It's freaking right here. Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me! This bitch is so fucking loud. Like, my ears are hurting. Alright, I'm gonna look for the keys. Oh, I found him. I found the keys. Pick it up, this shit. Okay, there we go. I have blue paint. 1 was red, 2 is green, and 3 is blue. Oh, now it's open. Okay, now let's open this door. Open that! Alright. Oh shit, we're in the hallways. What's that over shadow shit? Is that a shadow? Oh, a little girl. Okay, a little girl. Okay, I thought it was a shadow bitch. It's so scary. Wait, why is he running? Why is she running? Why is the little girl running? Oh my gosh. Let me stay right here. Let me stay right here. Wait. Okay, there's a little girl. Now let's say I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna go back. What's wrong with that shit? Okay, let's go back again. I don't know what to do. Okay, it's right. Oh, freaking hell! What the hell? Do not fuck with me right now with this. What was that rat shit? Is that a Hades or something? Is that a hell? I think we're in hell now. It's like continuously. I think we're in hell. Hey. We have red lights on it. That means it's in hell. Okay, what? Oh yeah. Oh, now we'll go back to heaven now. Now Now this is heavens. Now we're in the heavens. Okay, see a white thing? That means we're in the heavens. We're going back. We're in the heavens. I can't believe it. When that shit gonna stop? I keep running this shit. Look, I keep running it. When that shit stop? We're in heaven now, but when this shit's gonna stop? Oh, is that it?
Thing it.
Sunday, mostly sunny and pleasant, high of 75. The UN today is renewing its call for a ceasefire between Iraq and Iran as negotiations with senior Iranian officials appear to have stalled. In local news,
Okay.
police believe to have found the remains of Jeff
So is that the end or something?
wrecked vehicle off of Route 447. West and Megan Brook of Montclair, New Jersey have been missing since May. Brooks' body has not been discovered. News at 11.
quotidien, ces小财务.
Alright guys, I'm done with that shit. Guys, what was that sound? Okay, so guys, thank you guys for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe in this video. I don't know what to do with that shit. What was that sound? It's like, like, I'm done, y'all. I'm not gonna play that shit again. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that shit. But fuck, y'all. Guys, give it that thumbs up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And peace, y'all.